Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name is John Segui and I'm a professional commercial photographer and educator with over a decade of experience in the photography world. Beyond my commercial work, I've dedicated myself to sharing my passion for photography through hands-on workshops in some of the most beautiful locations in Europe. In this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes to one of my photography workshops in Slovenia, explaining why this country is such a special place for photographers and what makes my workshops so unique. So if you love photography and want to take your skills to the next level, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any tips or insights and updates of my upcoming workshops. Let's dive in. Slovenia is honestly a hidden gem in Europe for photographers. It's incredibly diverse. You've got stunning alpine peaks, serene lakes, magical forests, and even the charming city of Ljubljana, which is full of vibrant life, beautiful architecture, and so much character. From medieval castles to cobblestone streets, it's lined with cafes, and it's a photographer's dream for urban and street photographers. What's even better is the variety of light and mood you can capture in just one day. You can go from shooting a misty sunrise over Lake Bled to exploring the streets of the local towns, and in the afternoon, capturing a breathtaking sunset in the Julian Alps. Slovenia is also compact, so you can experience such a wide range of locations without spending hours traveling around between them. And finally, there's the atmosphere. The people, they're so welcoming. The food is incredible. And the landscapes, of course, so inspiring. It feels like the perfect blend of adventure and creativity, which makes it an ideal location for a photography workshop. So workshops are hands-on, immersive experiences. When you're in the field with a group of like-minded photographers and a mentor, you can ask questions in real time, experiment, and receive immediate feedback. The best part? You're consistently surrounded by inspiration, and guidance helps push your creative limits. It's not just about learning techniques, it's about discovering your style, building confidence, and applying those skills right away in breathtaking settings. That's quite a funny story actually. So I first visited Slovenia while I was on a family road trip through Europe. It was one of those spontaneous decisions to take a detour, and as soon as I crossed that border, I was honestly blown away by the landscapes. The color, the light, the sheer diversity, it was just incredible. It was literally a photographer's dream location. I spent hours just exploring with my camera while my family waited patiently, capturing everything the majestic Julian Alps had to offer. That's when I knew I had to bring other photographers here. Slovenia's beauty is something you have to experience in person, and it's the perfect canvas for learning. That's an easy one. Lake Bled. It's such an iconic location and a must-see for any photographer. The lake itself is stunning, with the little island in the middle and church in the center, surrounded by the Alps. But my absolute favorite spot is from the viewpoint above the lake. There's a small 20-minute hike to get to the top, but once you're there, it's worth it. From up there, you get this incredible panoramic view that's just magical, especially at sunrise when the mist rolls across the water and the soft light starts to come through. It's incredible. The kind of place that makes you stop and just take it all in before you even get your camera out the bag. Every time I go, I fall in love with it a little bit more. The workshop runs for a full week, and there are 5 to 6 dedicated shooting days, depending on the weather, of course. Each shooting day is carefully planned to cover a variety of themes, be that landscape or architecture and so on. So participants get a well-rounded experience. Midway through the week, we scheduled a day off for participants to enjoy the area. It's a chance to explore and relax, do something completely different. And there are some wonderful spas in the area where you can choose to unwind and recharge. Whether you practice your photography or take a hike or indulge in the spa, the break day is all about you. You don't need the latest and most expensive gear to join us. A DSLR, a mirrorless camera with interchangeable lenses is perfect. But even if you're working with a compact camera, we can still make that work. A tripod is recommended, of course, for landscape photography. And if you have filters and wide-angle lenses, those can come in handy too. But don't worry, before the workshop, I provided a detailed list of suggested gear based on the types of photography we'll focus on. The most important thing is that you bring your creativity and your openness to learn. You'll be staying at a beautiful hotel right by Lake Bled, one of the most iconic picturesque spots in Slovenia. The hotel is not only comfortable, but it offers stunning views of the lake and the surrounding mountains, which makes it perfect for early morning shoots right from your doorstep. It's an ideal base for us, close to many of the locations we'll be exploring during the workshop. After a full day of shooting, it's also a perfect place to relax, review our photos, and enjoy some local Slovenian cuisine together. The breakfast is included in our final price and will be served at the hotel each morning. It's a great way to start the day before we head out to explore and shoot. As for lunches and dinners, those are extra, but you have the flexibility to either join the group for meals or take some time on your own if you need space to unwind. We often dine together at local restaurants to experience Slovenian cuisine, but if you prefer some quiet time, there's no pressure to join in every meal. It's your workshop and you can tailor the experience to suit your needs. So we use a comfortable minivan for all our travel during the workshop. It's perfect for getting us to all the amazing locations quickly and easily, and it also gives us time as a group to chat and plan shoots and share ideas while we're on the road. We also arrange airport pickup and drop-off as part of the package. So from the moment you arrive in Slovenia to the time you leave, we've got your transport covered. It's all about making the experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. I like to keep the group size small, usually around 6 participants. This way everyone gets plenty of individual attention and I can tailor the experience to each person's needs and skill level. A smaller group also creates a more relaxed and supportive environment where participants can connect with each other and feel comfortable asking questions or experimenting with their photography. I've been running photography workshops since 2017 across various European destinations, and I started focusing on Slovenia in 2019. Over the years, I've had the privilege of working with many photographers at different skill levels. Every workshop has been a unique experience, and I've learned just as much from my participants as they have from me. Slovenia in particular has become one of my favorite locations because of how much it offers. Running workshops here year after year has only deepened my appreciation for this incredible country and its potential as a creative playground for you photographers. If you're passionate about photography and want to immerse yourself in an environment that challenges and inspires you, this is the perfect opportunity. Slovenia's landscapes are nothing short of magical, and being part of a workshop is like opening the door to endless creative possibilities. Whether it's your first workshop or your 5th, I guarantee you'll leave with not only great photos, but an experience you'll never forget. Absolutely. I want to make sure participants feel fully prepared and excited for the workshop. I help everyone with their travel plans to Slovenia to ensure they arrive on time and with minimum hassle. Additionally, I send all participants a detailed digital information pack before the workshop. This includes a full itinerary and equipment checklist and any other important information that they will require. We also hold a group Zoom meeting a few weeks before the trip. It's a great opportunity for everyone to meet and ask questions and go over any last-minute details. It helps build excitement and ensures everyone feels confident and ready for the journey ahead. It's all about making sure you can focus on your photography and enjoy the adventure from the moment you arrive. So I can't wait to see you in Slovenia, where we'll capture moments and make memories that last a lifetime. I hope to see you soon.